Hi, today I am going to review the Mavic 3 from the DJI brand. This device we brought for our internal purpose and study. Having a 20 megapixel camera and multiple sensors for high quality performance. This drone has a 45 minutes endurance capacity to complete our projects. 15 km maximum transmission range, 8 km perimeter range, and multi-function application support for efficiency work. So this is the drone closest look. So we brought the combo fly. This combo kit includes 3 battery sets as well as all necessary accessories for a price of less than 3 lakh. This is all accessories included with this combo kit. So this is a filter glasses, batteries, hub, propellers, charger kit, controller and drone. Thank you.